Hello, people of Ghana. Hello, people of Nzumaland. It's your favorite delegate, Jennifa, and I am back once again. Most of you who don't know me, I am a proud Nzuma who is standing for the Nzumaland in the pageant Miss Western 2023. I greet every one of you on this platform. Tumuvle Kakwaka the Third, I greet you. The elders and the kings of Nzumaland, I greet you. Medyo Kenya Mwaleke. Kakra. Me pageant momle kola yedu finals akamonua yesila momre sele every beke ale be muale ni be vote ne be support odike mi rezi ezukwa more only 50,000 Ghana cedis and above to win this contest. Although I have the potentials and the energy to give my best on the stage, I'll also need your support and vote to also win this crown. Midemi dike nzimama eha eshe na mekeka ali meka ejuma mama odiki enyunu tia ejuma odiki nzima duma kpeja wo ganekeza motimre selebe ayekumbi ala eboa me evoti mame ne hoye linkunum yeva chele ne yeviera nzima eweba hanke se enya chele ne wokanya inzu de bie ele fma nzima ma emedima minya onemale tumuvre kakwaka ngbanyi mo begwa platform yazo debi mo melema nzima ngbare ne male ali ejima esanwe ejima because medrazem vamnyim totoaze de mu nke ejima eniye manunu moti imale ke se mi wini Miss Western 2023 ya mbava esanwe ejima mama ye mame ya papa ni ye mediama mu amobe wo nzima ekra moti mle selebe beboa me na be mi eri cheleni ya viera nzima manunu medabasi. Hello people of Ghana, hello people of Nzumaland. Invevre abusan biara mo owanzamekla bediali mu bedialim befremi Jennifa ahuma ndebia madam le kokabra mom let's stand for Miss Western 2023 mommy ji nzimama ejekan nuaram akamokaka yeju finals akamunua yese momre sele evin vevre busan mamua areke bejina minzi best send vote best support me near hwaye linkunim near viera nzimamarim osanke mvevre buswane nzima ye via yeshe kakra idumeka modiki yenyuru te waganakia idumeka modiki nzima duma fin de ganakia motimre sele yekumbiala buame support me na for vote fajina minzi near hwaye linkunim ye viera nzimamarim medabasi.